Imagine a roller coaster ride where every twist and turn could flip your crypto portfolio upside down. In less than a minute, you might either be laughing all the way to the bank or clutching your phone in disbelief. Welcome to the exhilarating world of crypto, where today's news might just redefine the market. This isn't your average update. This is Zaki Crypto Update, where we don't just report news, we set the stage for what comes next. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and brave souls riding the digital currency wave. I'm Zaki, and you've just tuned in to Zaki Crypto Update, the channel that digs deep into the heart of the crypto universe with insights that are as sharp as a scalpel and as daring as a high-stakes poker game. Buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving into the latest uproar surrounding XRP and the seismic shifts shaking the Bitcoin scene. Trust me when I say, you'll want to stick around until the very end for some jaw-dropping revelations and a few laughs along the way. And if you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe because we're about to embark on one wild ride together. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, picture this. XRP, which has been limping below its glittering January peak of $3.3999, might just be on the verge of a massive rebound if the SEC's next move plays out in our favor. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is dancing to a dangerous tune as U.S. tariff talks and Fed whispers send shivers down its spine. Could these developments be the prelude to an unprecedented surge or the calm before a storm? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the lowdown on what to expect, along with some spicy crypto opinions that might just change the way you see your digital assets. Let's start with XRP. The latest headlines scream tension as XRP continues its struggle to reclaim the heights of its former glory. Trading well below the electrifying January 16th high of $3.3999, XRP now finds itself at a crossroads, with the SEC's appeal strategy looming like a dark cloud over the horizon. Just days after filing an appeal-related opening brief on January 15th, at a time when leadership was in flux, the SEC remains locked in battle mode. With Gary Gensler stepping down as chair and the unexpected appointment of Commissioner Mark Uyeda as acting chair, the scene is set for a dramatic showdown in the crypto courtroom. Acting Chair Mark Uyeda has never been shy about his opinions. Known for his biting critiques of the SEC's previous enforcement actions, he has openly challenged what he calls a war on crypto that, according to him, unfairly targets non-fraudulent projects. The Commission's war on crypto must end, he declared, insisting that actions based solely on registration failures, without any genuine allegations of fraud or harm, are nothing short of overreach. It's a bold stance that resonates with many in the crypto community who feel that innovation is being stifled by outdated regulatory mindsets. And there's more drama in the wings. Commissioner Hester Peirce, affectionately dubbed Crypto Mom by many, now heads the newly established Crypto Task Force, a move that could signal a shift towards a more balanced approach in handling crypto cases. Yet, despite the apparent clarity in these new appointments, the SEC has stubbornly refused to withdraw its appeal regarding the programmatic sales ruling on XRP. This legal tug-of-war leaves investors wondering, will the SEC double down on its appeal, or will pressure force a retreat that might finally allow XRP to soar back past the coveted $3 mark and perhaps even rocket toward an all-time high of $3.5505? Here's where it gets even juicier. The next SEC closed meeting is slated for Thursday, February 13th. While the agenda covers topics from institutional actions to settlement proceedings, the absence of Jorge Tenreiro, a top crypto litigator who recently exited the crypto courtroom for an IT division, could spell uncertainty for the outcome. His departure might just tip the scales, potentially leading to a decisive vote on whether to continue or withdraw the appeal. For XRP, this decision isn't just a legal maneuver. It's the linchpin that could redefine its market trajectory. As we pivot to price trends, let's break down the scenarios. On February 9th, XRP dipped by 1.04%, reversing gains from the previous day, and closed at $2.3945, a stark reminder of the volatility that has become the norm in crypto markets. There are three clear paths ahead. A bullish turnaround if the SEC retracts its appeal, potentially propelling XRP past its previous peaks. An ETF catalyst scenario where institutional demand drives the price up toward $5, or a bearish descent if the appeal presses on, which might see XRP tumbling below $1.50. Each possibility paints a dramatically different picture, making this one of the most intriguing legal and market battles in recent memory. Now, let's shift gears to Bitcoin, the undisputed heavyweight of the crypto world. While XRP is embroiled in legal drama, Bitcoin is contending with a completely different beast: U.S. tariff policies. Reports from the Kobayashi letter have ignited fears that U.S. tariffs could hit a staggering 25% on aluminum and steel imports, a move that might trigger reciprocal tariffs from key trading partners. Imagine a world where everyday products become more expensive, inflation creeps up, and the Federal Reserve's rate cuts are pushed further into the future. In such a scenario, risk assets like Bitcoin might feel the squeeze even more acutely. On February 7th, Bitcoin experienced a dramatic drop from a session high of $100,216 to a low of $95,688, a swing that reflected the broader unease triggered by hotter-than-expected inflation data. With the Michigan Inflation Expectations Index surging to 4.3% in February from 3.3% in January, the specter of a more hawkish Fed looms large. And with Fed Chair Powell set to testify on Capitol Hill on February 11th, the crypto market remains on high alert, ready to react to any indication of further tightening in monetary policy. Amid all this uncertainty, there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon for Bitcoin. Enter the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve (SBR) initiative, a bold plan that could redefine the supply-demand dynamics for BTC over the long term. Last week, optimism surged when Utah passed an SBR bill, and now a host of states including Alabama, Arizona, Florida, and Texas are showing interest in following suit. If these state-level initiatives coalesce into a national SBR, it could signal a new era of sustained demand for Bitcoin, providing a much-needed counterbalance to the pressures of tariffs and inflation. The potential scenarios for Bitcoin are as dramatic as they are divergent. In a bearish scenario, if U.S. tariffs continue to rise, the Fed maintains its hawkish stance, and the SBR discussions stall, Bitcoin might plummet toward $90,000. On the other hand, a bullish twist, characterized by a pivot in U.S. tariff strategy, a dovish Fed, and breakthrough progress on the SBR could propel Bitcoin toward its all-time high of $109,312. It's a high-stakes game of chess, with every move in regulatory and economic policy reverberating across the crypto ecosystem. Now, let's pause for a moment to drop our crypto disclaimer. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The crypto markets are unpredictable, and while we love a good speculative story, nothing beats the fundamentals of careful planning and diversified strategies. Here's where I throw my 2 cents into the mix. Personally, I see XRP as the underdog that could surprise us all. With SEC's legal drama reaching a fever pitch, a decision to withdraw the appeal could unleash a tidal wave of investor optimism. XRP might just break free from its current shackles and vault past $3, making it a must-watch asset for anyone who's ever dared to dream big in the crypto world. As for Bitcoin, despite the looming threats of tariffs and inflation, its resilience has always been its strongest suit. If the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve gains traction, BTC could not only weather the storm but emerge stronger, reaffirming its status as the backbone of digital finance. If you're as captivated by these market maneuvers and high-stakes dramas as I am, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most likely outcome for XRP and Bitcoin? Your insights drive the conversation, and I love hearing from each of you. That wraps up today's deep dive into the latest crypto headlines. Thank you for joining me on this wild journey through legal battles, tariff tensions, and market forecasts that keep us all on our toes. Your support and engagement mean the world to me, and I'm grateful for every view, like, and comment that helps fuel our mission to demystify the cryptoverse. Before you go, take a moment to check out the other videos on Zaki Crypto Update. There's always more to learn, more to laugh about, and more opportunities to stay ahead in this unpredictable market. Remember, whether you're a seasoned trader or just crypto curious, knowledge is your greatest asset. Stay smart, invest wisely, and keep riding the crypto roller coaster with confidence. This is Zaki signing off. Until next time, stay tuned, stay informed, and keep questioning everything in the world of digital currencies. The future of crypto is as exciting as it is uncertain, and we're here to navigate every twist and turn with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update. Once again, please remember that the opinions expressed here are solely my own and do not constitute financial advice. Do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. There you have it, a full, dynamic update that blends hard-hitting news, sharp analysis, and a touch of humor to keep your crypto journey as exciting as ever. Enjoy the ride and stay tuned for more revelations on Zaki Crypto Update.